comments video. So today I'm going to be drawing Lenka's comment, and she says draw a fluffy cat, which I think is going to be pretty cute. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Okay, so I just got bored and I didn't want to record me coloring it in, so here's your fluffy cat. I chose orange because, like, why not? So I will also leave Lenka's channel name right here and her icon above the name. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later.